Hi everyone and welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add employees to your account. To invite a new staff member, all you need to do is simply tap on the menu, then Staff, then Add Staff. Insert the details into the fields provided and invite them. It is important to note that the email you select here is not necessarily the email that the employee has to use to log into SINC. It just needs to be an email that the employee can open on their mobile device to receive the invite. The email that the employee signs up to SINC with is the email they will use to manage their SINC account. Now to look at this from the employee's perspective. Once you invite your employee to join your organization, they will receive that invitation email. It is important that they open this email on their mobile device. In the email there is a button they need to tap labeled "Click here to join." Once they click the button, they will be taken to either the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on the type of device they have. They then go ahead and download SINC. Once downloaded, SINC will check the status of the invite and take your staff member through to the sign up page. They can either sign up using their Google account, their Facebook account, or enter their details manually below. Once they accept our terms of service, they will be asked to allow notifications and then taken through to their employee home screen. Here, they will be able to clock in to your organization for the first time. That brings us to the end of another tutorial. Make sure to also check out the SINC web console. It features the same functionality as the mobile app, but with the convenience of being able to access your data on a larger screen. You can find the web console by going to users.sinc.business. We hope you have found this tutorial informative, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.